AI is killing video editors. Check this out. This is my new AI video editing workflow. I'm not sure if you can see right above my head over here, notifications keep popping up because this app called Zippy Clip is literally publishing to all of my channels. Now check out this over here. You see it says Q. This software allows you to automate your video editing using one single prompt, and you can actually see what's happening, unlike Claude Code video editing. So check this out. Basically, it creates hyperframes and remotion effects overlaying the video. So whenever you're talking about something, it creates an overlay which is related to what you're saying. Now, you can actually preset the prompt for each folder of your computer. So for example, if you look at this queue over here, here's the queue for all of the videos. Now you can see this one is, I dropped it into this folder on my computer. This folder is called upload to all business channels. And this one is my abroad channel. So this is upload abroad. And this is my new Suno song channel. All the different channels related to my Suno business are over here. That's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, X, and I forgot the last one. But basically, I have different folders on my computer. You know what? Just to make it like less overwhelming, I'm sure I'm overwhelming you. Basically, if I go to videos here, my video folder, you can see I have each of these folders. Here, this is the one I was talking about, upload to all business channels. Whenever I drop a video into this folder, it actually runs this automation. Now, if you look in this folder, you'll see there's 2 videos that are about to be processed using this automation. Now, I actually used my mobile phone to put these videos from my phone into this folder using Google Drive software on my actual phone. And then all I do, I literally create an automation. I click here. And then I create an automation. Now, what is an automation? All it is a form you fill in once, and after that, it will literally know exactly what you want it to do. So, for example, for this automation, I chose a folder that anytime I drop into this folder, it will automatically start running this automation. Very, very easy. Then the AI prompt for edit, you just write this once and you forget about it. So here are all the different effects I've asked for. And then it moves on to the next video. Once it's completed publishing to all my channels, it moves on to the next video. Now, I want to actually show you the full form so you can see how easy it really is to set up. You simply fill this form. Let me just show you live. So here it's actually moved on to the next video and it's selecting the skills it needs to use in order to do this automation. So it's chosen these 6 skills for this specific prompt and it's about to start editing the next video. See, as I'm talking to you, it's doing all of my editing. So I think you deserve a workflow like this as well, where it's literally doing the editing for you and it's moving the subtitles and it's adding remotion effects, etc. You can see it's talking. It's literally a chatbot. It's a chatbot as well. You don't have to use the automation. You could just chat and do things manually and also publish to all your channels manually. But let me just show you what I was in the middle of showing you is the actual automations. It's such an exciting software, I'm telling you. It's a bit like a game. If you can see here, it's rendering all the different overlays, meaning all the different remotion effects, which are going to make this video production value much higher. See, on the timeline right now, we don't have any effects. You can see we only have the actual video and the subtitles, but in no time, it's going to start adding some effects. And as it adds them, it actually shows you and gives you a preview of the effects that are about to be added onto the timeline. Check this out. One should be ready any second now. So here's one that's ready. It's about to drop this effect onto the timeline. Look how cool that is. Look. And it's dropping it right here onto my timeline. Fantastic. Absolutely insane. But let me go back to the automation for a second. You know what? Forget the automation. You get the idea. It's a video editing software which you can actually chat to and see what it's doing. Unlike Claude Code, you can see what it's doing. It creates effects and shows you them in advance and then places them on the timeline right in front of you. You could also remove effects, add effects. It adds subtitles in any language, by the way. It works in all languages. And that's basically it. Once it's finished, it publishes to all your channels, as you saw at the beginning of this video. It's basically a no-brainer for anyone who wants a really fast way to just film and let AI do its editing for you. Now that AI exists, It's time to move away from editing by yourself and let AI do all the crazy effects and overlays. Just let it work for you. Do you know what I mean? So this software is completely free to use. Like, you can use it for quite a while for free. You only have to pay for API fees. And even that's made ultra simple. You don't actually have to pay. You don't have to actually go and get API keys. You just pay, and then the API keys are given to you automatically. So it's pretty amazing. Absolutely love this software. See you in the next video.